Here's a pair of the Google Pixel Buds 2a. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a MacBook or iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's go to the settings on our Apple computer. You can just navigate to the Apple logo top left hand side. Go ahead and select that, and you want to go to System Settings. From here we want to select Bluetooth right there. Now Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and see that spinny thing right there? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode, and it should show up down here. So let's put these in the pairing mode. The buds are currently in a case. Let's open these up. I'll know that these are in pairing mode if the white light here starts blinking, okay? I get no white blinking light. It's a solid white light. The reason is for me is because I'm connected to one of my TVs or my phone. So let me just manually put this in a pairing mode, okay? There's a button on the back here. Let me keep that lid open. I'm just going to press and hold for 5 seconds or until I see a white blinking light. Okay, I'm holding. There we go. White blinking light. I'm going to let go. Now it's in pairing mode. Let's jump back over here. It's still scanning. It did find the Pixel Buds 2a right there. So we're going to go over here and we're going to tap on Connect. And voila, you can see we're connected, and I got 100% battery juice on here. And we're ready to go. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area.